Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add a text box Google Docs. Open your Google Docs. When you do so, from the Insert menu, click on Drawing and select New. Now in this window, click on the text box option. Adjust the size of the text box and enter the desired text. You can edit its values if necessary. When ready, click on Save and Close. You can see the text box in the Google Docs. After this, select the text box, and at the bottom you can make some adjustments to it. You will have access to various options to move the text. Then click on the menu and select all image options. There, you will have a set of options to edit the text box in your Google Docs. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.